Salam everybody, this is Investor Shake back at it again with another video. And today's halal stock pick of the week is Cleanspark, ticker symbol CLSK. Stock price is at $19.47. And key stats are it has a $649 million market cap, no dividend, the 52-week low is $2 and the high is $42.60, and there is no PE ratio or earnings per share. So the reason why I'm revisiting Cleanspark stock is because I am even more bullish than I was when I first mentioned this stock in my previous videos. And when I first talked about Cleanspark stock, the stock price was at around between $9 and $10 a share. And that was when I first started to open my position in Cleanspark. And since then, it has had quite the year. So back in June of last year, the stock price was less than $3. It was a penny stock. For a good chunk of 2020, it was a penny stock. But that was because the company wasn't well known. And soon enough, the stock price started going to $11. And then this is when I first started talking about Cleanspark stock. And then it dipped to as low as $7, and then since then it has shot up as high as $40 a share. And now we've seen the stock price cool off since then. And this was similar to a lot of growth stocks and tech stocks. They peaked around January, February, and then just started experiencing a major correction. So one of the reasons why I'm bullish on Cleanspark is because of their involvement with Bitcoin. When I first talked about Cleanspark, I mentioned it as a company that focused on microgrid modeling and as well as providing the software to incorporate clean energy into microgrids. And I am quite bullish on that idea, as I feel like the US could very well switch to a microgrid system in an attempt to utilize more clean energy. But this is a much bigger surprise. So I'm on the Cleanspark website here, and they do mention Bitcoin mining. So the main question is, why Bitcoin mining? Both the popularity and the value of cryptocurrency is continually increasing and is expected to grow for the foreseeable future. Over the past 10 years, cryptocurrencies have seen exceptional returns, even after volatility, and continue to prove their resiliency. This is partly due to institutional investors' support of Bitcoin's long-term value and a notable amount of adoption as significantly publicly traded companies, including Tesla, Square, PayPal, and many more, have added Bitcoin to their operational strategy or balance sheets. Bitcoin mining is simply the means of getting compensated to process data. Bitcoin miners are awarded Bitcoin as payment for completing blocks of verified transactions to be added to the blockchain. And why would a clean energy company start Bitcoin mining? Because it's a big problem we intend to help solve. Cleanspark's microgrid technologies can provide sustainable, affordable, and renewable energy solutions to support Bitcoin mining data centers. We expect to demonstrate these concepts at our data center facilities located in Atlanta, Georgia. So this is excellent upon reading this, because in my previous video about Riot blockchain, I did talk about how mining Bitcoin could be bad for the environment due to the high amount of energy that is required to power these miners. We have thousands of computers solving these complicated math problems and are being awarded Bitcoin for doing so. And just the depending on the energy source that's being used to get that electricity, it could be from coal, could be from much more harmful energy sources that I hope would start to decrease the use of gradually. But now that we are having more of a green revolution, we're trying to incorporate more clean energy sources in the country and the world. And this could be the major step needed to really give Bitcoin much more respect in the global scale, is being able to generate Bitcoin in a way that is less harmful to the environment and utilizing more clean energy. And Cleanspark definitely wants to be part of the solution in solving that problem. And if you're looking at it in an environmental point of view, this is a good thing. And Bitcoin, Cleanspark is taking its position in Bitcoin very seriously, because it says that Cleanspark has purchased 22,680 Bitcoin miners. In a press release, Cleanspark said it is purchasing S19J Pro and S19 Pro Ant miners with the goal to increase total hash rate capacity to over 1.1 exahashes per second by summer. The company has bought 7,200 SJ19 Pro Ant miners from Bitmain Technologies and has signed contracts with another unnamed cryptocurrency mining equipment dealer to purchase 15,480 rigs. So the S19 Pro Ant miners are the same miners that are being used by Riot blockchain. So this could very well be an effective machine to mine Bitcoin with. And with companies like Cleanspark and Riot blockchain buying thousands of these computers, they are definitely trying to maximize their Bitcoin mining, which is one of the reasons why I am bullish in Cleanspark, now that they have really involved themselves in Bitcoin and the operations of it. And as someone who is bullish in Bitcoin as well, that makes me even more bullish in Cleanspark stock. And in my previous videos, I did say that Cleanspark would surpass $15 a share. As of now, I do not have a certain price target in mind, but I do hope for Cleanspark to be a $1 billion company. Right now the market cap is a little over 650 million, but given the promising technologies of microgrid technology and Bitcoin, this is definitely a company I would like to continue accumulating shares in. Now, despite all this, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just someone who is very intrigued by this company and am rooting for them in the future. Please do your own research on Cleanspark before becoming financially involved with this stock. And if you like what you see with this stock, consider adding it to your watch list. This is Investor Shake, checking out.